We've come down to the river today to listen to the sounds of spring. The sounds of spring can be anything from the rustle of fresh leaves that have come out in the wind, or it can be a queen bumblebee looking for a good place to start its nest, or it can be something like the dawn chorus. Just listening to a chiff-chaff saying its own name there, up in the tree. We've got a pair of blue tit up in the alder tree there feeding. The dawn chorus you can listen to when you're out on a walk or in your garden, or even when you're just in your bed with the window open. You don't really need any equipment to do it, but if you take some binoculars, that would be quite nice, because then you can see the birds better, but you don't have to do that. Or you could take a notebook so you could write down what the sounds are like, and then you could take it home and use our RSPB website to find out what birds you've listened to that morning. And another thing you can do is put your hands around the back of your ears as you're standing in the woodland listening to the birds, and this sometimes can really help make the sound just a little bit louder. It doesn't really matter if you know what birds you're listening to. Sometimes it's nice just to not think at all and just listen to the sound. But if you want to find out more about the birds you're listening to, just pick out one or two of the louder or easier to hear sounds and write down what it sounds like to you phonetically, and you can learn from that, take it back home and use the website to find out what birds you've heard. Today in our Sounds of Spring we heard chiff-chaff, we heard blackcap, chaffinch and robin, and lovely blackbird melody as well. And we just had a really great time listening to the sounds of spring. So it's worth getting out, and if it's a sunny day you might even get to hear a bumblebee buzzing around. So go and listen to the sounds of spring.